This presentation is for the book Wishtree by Katherine Applegate for the Book Talk Week 6. A summary of the book Wishtree is that trees can't tell jokes, but they can certainly tell stories. Red is an oak tree who has many rings old. Red is the neighborhood wish tree. People write their wishes on pieces of cloth and tie them to Red's branches. Along with her crow friend Bongo and other animals, they seek refuge in Red's hollows. This wish tree watches over the neighborhood. You might say that Red has seen it all, until a new family moves in. But not everyone is welcoming, and Red's experiences as a wish tree are more important than ever. Funny, deep, warm, and nuanced is this Katherine Applegate at her very best writing from the heart, and from a completely unexpected point of view. The summaries of the chapters about this book talk are from chapters 42 through 51. These chapters explore the themes of community, friendship, and coming together, putting differences aside and supporting one another. Wishtree, so far, has just led for a lot of problems in the neighborhood. After somebody carved Leave, which was targeted to a new Muslim family that moved into town. The wish tree is also a nice big old red oak tree, and the roots are taking deep down into the ground and causing a lot of plumbing issues for the landlord of the houses where the wish tree resides. Although Wish Day is approaching, and this is a day when people from across the community come together and leave their wishes on Red, the wish tree. The owner, the landlord of the tree, is trying to get rid of it. She wants to tear it down from the vandalism, but also the stress that it's bringing in its size and age to the neighborhood. Some lessons to promote transfer literacy skills. At the end of this book, I would incorporate several writing activities into my classroom to promote the transfer literacy skill. Fisher, the author of Visible Learning for Literacy, writes that writing is the result of knowledge construction. Evidence of students' transfer of knowledge can be found in the extended writing pieces he or she creates. Knowing that, I would give my students 3 writing prompts. The first writing prompt would be an informational writing prompt, where students would be asked to look up information about the red oak tree, or the wish tree. They would be asked to write about unique characteristics of a red oak tree and where it is most likely to grow, using details and events from the book to back up their research. The second option they have as a writing prompt would be another informational writing prompt about immigration throughout the years. In this book, Red talks about seeing many changes in the neighborhood over the years and the wonderful variety of people who have come to live there. Students would be asked to go back into the text and find how many nationalities they can find that Red lists or describes in the book, and then research those nationalities. They would then write informational descriptions of those nationalities and the characteristics of each. The third and final writing prompt would be a narrative prompt. Students would be asked to write about a wish they would like to make if they could hang a wish on the wish tree. They would have to tie the wish to a theme presented in the book, such as friendship, community, telling your story, or accepting differences. References would be the book Wishtree by Katherine Applegate, and also Visible Learning for Literacy Grades K through 12, Implementing the Practices that Work Best to Accelerate Student Learning by Fisher, Fry, and Hattie, 2016.